Alright guys, so I finally made it to Cali, and I'm here with my truck after all the shit that I went through and dealt with. Only problem is I'm lost right now. I'm gonna ask this guy right here for directions. Hey bro!
You wanna know you?
No man, I'm not from around here. I saw you had a nice Dodge, so I thought I'd ask you for directions.
Where the f*** are you headed to?
I'm supposed to meet up with a YouTuber here. I'm a YouTuber on YouTube, obviously.
Oh yeah, right?
Yeah dude, I do truck videos and stuff.
Oh sick. And you've probably seen my videos, huh?
What are you talking about, man? You're a YouTuber too?
Yeah.
Are you serious, bro? How many subscribers do you have?
Like almost 40,000.
Alright, let's look at this thing here.
I'll take a drive. Go ahead and take a drive.
Say I could drive it, man?
Yeah, go ahead and drive it, bro. Here are the keys right here, look.
Oh shit. Oh shit, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm here with Different Diesel.
What's up?
And obviously he's the guy that I'm collabing with in California, like I've been telling you guys. What I'm about to do right now is take this Cummins for a little rip down the road. You nervous, bro?
A little bit.
I would be too. Alright man, let's do this. A little cold. Woo! Alright guys, so I've basically driven a Cummins one time before this. So this is my second time ever driving a Cummins. And I'm pretty sure... What the f is that, dude?
I swear to God, I was not watching porn.
Just left his morning rituals on or what, man?
I swear to God, dude. This ain't even my phone. I don't know where the...
Different Diesel caught in the act. Alright man, here we go. It's so much different than the truck, man. Just the way it pulls is completely different.
Just don't crash, right?
Crash? Where's the brake? No, I'm just kidding. Not used to that whistle, man. I would talk to you guys right now, but it's a bit loud. We can't hear anything. What is that, man?
What's up? What?
Palm tree. I'm gonna take one of those home with me for sure. Throw it in the box. Man, it's really making me want to buy a diesel, and all my subscribers, every like third comment is get a Cummins. Why don't you get a Cummins?
Why don't you get a Cummins?
I got a Cummins now, bro. We traded trucks today. Cummins are very expensive.
They're expensive to buy and maintain.
Yeah.
Now I'm just f***ing sitting in the back right here trying to get the good angle.
Damn, that was a solid burnout. I wonder what this car right here thinks about his burnout. I think he liked it. He's gonna notice. You race the trucks.
Nah. Dude.
Sorry bro, I thought you wouldn't notice.
People might think I'm a douchebag if I have them up.
Seriously, man?
Yeah.
Is that why people think I'm a douchebag? Because I have my tummy yourself? Alright guys, well that pretty much wraps up the video of me driving Dippin' Diesel's Cummins, and it's definitely a lot different than my truck. Just the way that the truck pulls is much different, and obviously it sounds way different. It's definitely a pretty quick truck, I'd say, and it's pretty sweet to drive it. And we're doing a similar video on his channel where he actually takes my truck for a drive, so make sure you guys check that out on his channel.
My channel's Dippin' Diesel. If you guys want to see more videos on my truck, go hit that link in the description below. Go head over to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and yeah.
Check them out guys, and until next video, see you guys later.
Peace.